How school choice is powered by LittleLit Student OS for AI. Teachers or parents start LittleLit with setting up a personalized profile for students. They set up flexible grade levels based on students' learning pace. They also set up detailed learning preferences, such as what the students' reading levels are, how they process information, what motivates them, and finally, whether they are neurodivergent or neurotypical. Once this profile is set, everything in LittleLit is personalized to the child's learning style using the power of our child-calibrated AI models. Every week or day, teachers can assign units, track progress, review worksheets, and offer additional support as needed using AI insights. They can also track student creative projects, AI missions, AI art, and more. Now let's look at how John starts his day as a student. John begins his morning with AI tutors. First stop is science. He begins an engaging lesson about how organisms interact in an ecosystem. Each lesson is interactive, audiovisual, and multimodal. All content created is tailored to John's unique learning preferences. The lesson wraps up with an AI-curated video. That is John's preferred way to retain facts. Last stop is a worksheet, and then as the unit ends, LittleLit encourages John to do a fun project on what he learned. John loves outdoors and asks AI to give him a plan for a backyard ecosystem. And off he goes, spending time off-screen applying what he learned outside. In the afternoon, John spends time learning essential AI skills. LittleLit's AI curriculum gives him bite-sized AI concepts, ethics, and skill lessons. He then decides to do a fun AI mission. AI missions are a way for John to apply his many AI skills through multiple tools. Today, he is going to create his own healthy snack brand. A healthy smoothie later, it is Creative Enrichment Hour. John has the choice of thousands of creative AI-powered projects in LittleLit to choose from. Today, he is going to write an adventure story using the AI writing coach. And that's it. A day in a student's life, learning, creating, and exploring with AI.